Hello friends. Today I will collect a phone for my daughter. From an old broken phone that was given for spare parts. I already partially dismantled it and replaced the USB connector. The phone will be completely sorted out. The battery on it died. I tried to transfer the battery from another phone to it, but it did not fit because it was a little thicker. So I had to buy a new one. Here is a new BN30 battery. On this phone, it turns out you need to replace the USB connector, replace the battery and replace the display. We call the phone Xiaomi Redmi 4A. The board is held on by latches. Look carefully where they are so as not to damage the board. This is where the rubber band is located. She puts on the sensor until we put it aside. Now nothing prevents us from dismantling the USB connector. Now let's warm up the phone on the separator and start disassembling the phone. And so friends, the display module was removed. Now you need to clean the frame from the remnants of glass and debris. Then we will connect a new display for testing. After checking the display, apply glue to the frame and glue the display. Now let's leave the phone to stick together for 5 hours. There is a touch sensor here and it is covered in dust. I will clean it under a microscope with a brush and a toothpick. Do not use liquids. Otherwise streaks may remain on the sensor and it will not work correctly. All friends. The phone is working. Let's check the cameras. All friends. I hope the video was useful. Subscribe to the channel, put likes and good luck with your repairs. Bye bye.